Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing honey chipotle chicken. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using leg quarters, but feel free to use any part of the chicken you like. I'll also be using the skin, but you can remove yours if you prefer. I have here some chipotle sauce, any brand will work. And I have some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, sazon, some chicken bouillon, and some seasoned salt. I also have my fresh green seasoning, which I will leave the link down in the description box, and some honey. So what I did was went ahead and just combine all of the ingredients, mix well, and this will be used as our marinade for the chicken. Next, you want to go ahead and coat the chicken really well with the marinade. Make sure it's coated on all sides. And once we're done, we're going to cover this and allow it to sit and marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have the time and you could allow it to go overnight, that would be excellent. After about 6 hours marinating, we are going to go ahead and place it into a medium-sized baking dish. And you want to go ahead and pour the remaining marinade over top of the chicken, just making sure it's evenly coated. Once you're done, you want to place this in a 375-degree oven for about 1 hour. While the chicken is in the oven, let's make a base for the chicken using chipotle sauce and honey. Super simple. We're going to mix them to combine and set aside. After an hour, the chicken is looking amazing. Look at that char on the chicken. It looks like it was on a barbecue grill. We are going to base it with that sauce, place it back into the oven for about 10 minutes, then pull it out and base it again for another 10 minutes. After an hour and 20 minutes, the chicken is finally done. It smells and looks absolutely amazing. This chicken was so flavorful and so juicy. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. I did plate it up with some mashed potatoes and some steamed broccoli, and it was chef's kiss. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.